Good morning, you guys. So it is August 24th. If you can see that, I don't think you can. It's okay. Whatever. It is August 24th. Today is the second official day that the state fair is here. The Colorado State Fair is finally here, and we are going to go and see the state fair parade today. So let's just go. So what did you think of the parade? No!
No! No! Elizabeth, I don't want to be on this. Elizabeth!
I thought it was really good. What?
It's better when I was little.
Okay. Alright. I'll give her that. Yeah. Probably. I said whoever I end up with ain't gonna like any of this.
They're supposed to like it because it might be somebody writing or something.
Oh, please. I don't see that.
325, now 50, now 75. How about a 75 on them? I need 375. Now, what are you thinking? Ladies and gentlemen, as we get started right here, I will tell you that my name is Randy Lewis, and it is a pleasure to be here with you this evening in the Calcutta office. So, as you watch these guys get set up right here, Kurt McQuiston's the man that's giving them the idea of where they need to be. I will tell you that Jesse Jolly, the man on the gray horse, doesn't miss very many loops. He missed one right there, but here comes Gary Duggan on the backside trying to help Dustin Bowling. You need to hustle if you want to make some money. What do you think? Come on, boys. Folks, we are loading broncs. We're getting ready to ride some bucking horses. But, before you did that, how about it for our Ranch Rodeo team? They're going to be in an everyday working saddle. It's got the saddle horn, it's got regular stirrups, it has got everything that you would use if you were going to work on the ranch. The only difference is they're not riding in a bridle. They're using what we call the hack rein, the same as you would if we were riding broncs at PRCA Rodeo. And it's going to be great because the more you cheer, the harder the horses buck, the better the cowboys ride. So, with a tough ranch bronc ride, Tyler Smith and Sail Day. Go! Oh, man! Yeah! Here comes your cowboy. Look at this. I'm going to tell you what, Julio is a little bit spicy, but that cowboy Brock Chamberlain is tough. He's safe against a horse that weighs 1,000 to 1,100 pounds, and this guy right here is going to give it his all. He is a young man that wins everywhere he goes. He's a hard-working cowboy, and he is most and foremost a bronc rider. Let's give it to Gatlin Huddleston one time with that shoot gate swing. Here comes your cowboy. Here we go. Yeah, go on. I'm gonna tell you what, that horse did everything but pull a knife on that cowboy.
So, what did you think? Oh my gosh, she didn't bring a jacket.
Like the bronc ride.
She go crazy. I know, that's why they save it till the end, because they know that you'll stay, honestly.
We didn't see last year.
But yeah, but that's because we came with your husband, that's why. So